Skydio 2, Production Batch 1 update. Got that coming up next. October 30th was certainly a busy day in the drone community as DJI announced its DJI Mavic Mini, and Skydio sent out an email to Production Batch 1 reservation holders. I'm going to go ahead and share that email with you now, and I'll put the first slide up on the screen. Now, the first slide has on it a picture of a plane being assembled, and says, "Thank you for choosing to fly Skydio 2." Now, the second slide here is the actual email itself. The crew is prepping the cabin, among other things, for takeoff, and we look forward to getting you in the air. Manufacturing lines at headquarters have transitioned into final production. We expect to start shipping in late November in the order that reservations were placed, and Production Batch 1 shipments will continue into December. When your order is ready, you'll get an email from us to collect the remaining balance. You'll have up to 10 days to complete the purchase. During checkout, you'll also be able to add a beacon, controller, and other Skydio accessories, extra batteries, props, etc. to your order. After that, you'll get an email from us with UPS ground tracking information once your drone ships, usually within 2 to 3 days of completing your order. From there, please don't hesitate to reach out to Skydio support if there's anything we can do to help make your flights more comfortable. If you want more updates, subscribe to our newsletter for tips, tricks, and exclusive content. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for lots of great footage of Skydio 2 in action. Now, I have several takeaways from this. Now, the first takeaway, number one, this is great news for all of us who have placed reservations with Skydio, regardless of it was Production Batch 1, 2, or 3. We finally, the second takeaway from this is we get to see a glimpse into Skydio's process here, and it's very interesting considering, you know, they are not a mature company at all. Drone manufacturing companies such as obviously like DJI, who has well-established procedures. We're getting a glimpse into what these procedures are. And number three, we're getting a timeline, okay? Now, the timeline states that they expect to start shipping in late November in the order that reservations were placed, and Production Batch 1 shipments will continue into December. So they're telling us that it's gonna take you know, probably a couple of weeks to get all of Production Batch 1 shipped out. Now, another takeaway that we'll see here is that when the order is ready, when your order is ready, you will be getting an email from Skydio, and you'll have up to 10 days to complete that purchase. I think that's, you know, that's incredible that they're doing that they're giving you up to 10 days to complete your purchase. So, and obviously, the sooner you complete the purchase, the sooner that you will get the drone. Now, another takeaway is that they are shipping this UPS ground, and it will be within 2 to 3 days of completing your order. In other words, once you've made your payment, you will be getting that. So again, you know, that's huge right there. And I think one of the other things is you need to remember too is Skydio is a growing company. All right, they do not have established, you know, supply chains in process right now, such as other drone companies, you know, and I'll name DJI in this case. You know, they're growing and they are learning through this process. So, you know, one of the things is, and I think a lot of us are going to be very patient with this because this product looks to be an absolutely amazing drone. And I know many folks who I've talked to, especially, you know, I've talked with Ron and Marcus about this, you know, they're very excited about this, and we're excited to get this in our hands and test this. And this is going to have a lot of great features on it. You know, one of the things that I'm really excited about is having this controller and being able to fly this, and being able to fly this in very tight areas and getting through some areas you could never get through with drones like your DJI Mavic 2 Pro. So that's going to be very exciting. Question of the day. What do you think of this news from Skydio? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Pear related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a